Hello, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a great day on the stock market. I know I did, and the gains that I saw today are something that I knew was gonna happen. I've been investing in great companies that for the long term are going to maximize your gains. If you want to take a ride along with me, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell while you're already here. So, in my portfolio right now, I am up 16% on the day. My Vgac call is up 142% on the day. And also, if we go ahead and take a look at my percentage on Zomedica, it's up 28.95% on the day. And also Vgac up 31.33%. For my 1 week, I'm up a staggering almost 35%. And that is a $1,300 return. What I've been preaching on my channel is to invest in these long-term excellent stocks that you can use to build your wealth. Do not go out here and buy the hype. Know what you're buying. Do your own research. And along the way, we're going to be making a lot of money. So don't miss out on these opportunities that I'm bringing you, because I really find joy in making you all money along the way while I'm making money myself. So before we start this video, I would also like to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I will be giving you what I do with my money. If you wanted to go out and do similar things, then go ahead. Do your own research though. Also, in the link is my Instagram. Go ahead and give me a follow. I'm going to be posting some polls that I am taking surveys on to see what everyone thinks about the channel and what I can do to improve. And also, what I am going to do is start posting my top 5 stocks on Sunday to watch that week. So why is Zomedica so appealing to an investor? And the answer to this question lies within their technology, Trueforma. On the 25th, Zomedica signed a distribution agreement with Miller Veterinarian Supply to be supplying the Trueforma, and this product planned to begin sales on March 30th, 2021. And let me tell you why this is huge. Because the hype behind this stock is going to be immense. It's $1.50 or lower right now, which I think is a strong buy from my standpoint. Even though this jumped a very good percent today, there is still a lot of room to make money in this company. This company could easily be at $10 by March 30th if it continues at the pace that it's going. Don't miss out and wait until this thing is at $6 or $7 and shrink your gains. You want to get into this company now. Do not wait, okay? I got in at 90 cents and I'm already reaping the benefits of this company. I am super bullish on this, and let's go over this other article. Zomedica is a development stage company that focuses on unmet diagnostic and therapeutic treatment needs of clinical veterinarians. The company's first product, Trueforma, is an innovative diagnostic tool that is scheduled for commercial launch on March 31st, 2021. So, the development of the GI diagnostics could introduce Zomedica as the first mover in a large addressable market, okay? So let's read this article. As a veterinarian companion, animals that present with common but non-emergency symptoms such as GI distress or potential endocrine disorders must present a frustrating paradox. On one hand, those visits compromise a significant portion of business, as they are among some of the most common insurance claims for companion animals. So everyone, this is common. This is something that's going to be used extensively. And if it's used extensively, that means money. And money in their pocket means money in our pocket if we're invested. However, the current diagnostic protocol is not exactly quick or easy, And oftentimes, for an accurate diagnosis, a sample must be sent to a reference lab, and therefore a diagnosis is not able to be confirmed during the initial visit. This outcome is likely frustrating for pet owners who are not sure how to treat their sick companion, as well as for the vet who misses an opportunity for same appointment billing of the recommended course of treatment. Okay, that's big. Think about the upside to this company just hearing that. Zomedica has responded to this market gap and is nearing the launch of a product that will serve this diagnostic market through a point-of-care tool that can accurately diagnose thyroid and adrenal disorders in canines and felines, and is also on track to serve as the first point-of-care tool for GI distress. Wow, does that make me bullish to hear that. They are targeting a market that has no competitors. Do you know what that means? That means that this company is going to reap the benefits of all of these different consumers and customers, and that's what makes us money at the end of the day. Reading this makes me want to go out and put all of my money in it. But as I say, stay diverse in your portfolio. Don't just hear something from me and think, oh my gosh, I'm going to put all my money into this, because that's not smart investing. I didn't put all my money in this. I went with the safe route. I bought about 200 shares, and I'm going to ride that to $10, $15 and see my 1,000% gain. And I recommend that you look into this company too to see if that's an option for you. All right, on to the next company. The next company we're going to be talking about is Vgac, and they are going public with 23andMe. This is a $3.5 billion company with Richard Branson himself at the helm. So, consumer DNA testing 23andMe has entered into a deal to merge with Vgac, a SPAC. Okay? The agreement values the Silicon Valley company at $3.5 billion. Okay? That's what we'll get from this article. The next article. So as you can see again, confirming the $3.5 billion deal, they're apart. 23andMe will receive proceeds of $759 million, which includes $250 million from a range of investors. The merged entity will now trade under ME. Okay, that's after the merger. This is huge news. And let's look a little bit into 23andMe and this, SPAC merger. So 23andMe, it's a consumer genomics platform. It's on its way to becoming publicly traded. Yeah, we know that. They announced today that they're going to be merging. And why does this matter? Okay, that's what we want to see. It's a direct-to-consumer service that gives users insight into their DNA. I personally did it, and it was very interesting. And the way that they market on their website, you end up spending a little bit more money than you planned, but it's all worth it at the end of the day. And, I see how they market on their site, and that's a great way to, generate revenue. And when they generate revenue, that means more profits, more money in their pocket, more money in our pocket, okay? So more recently, the company has begun using its service to facilitate genetic research. For example, in 2019, the company teamed up with Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's research. It has also created a COVID-19 severity calculator based on a study it conducted, which included 10,000 participants diagnosed with the disease and 750 that were hospitalized. That's huge. So what we're seeing out of this company is not only does it have a base in the consumer services, but it also has space in genetic research and the evolution of healthcare as we know it. That is huge when it comes to money making, and also it's benefiting the world in a positive way. I like to invest in companies that not only make me money, but make me feel good as well. This is something that I feel like is great for the world, and why not be a part of it? All right, everyone. So you see the two stocks that I am talking about and why I'm super bullish on these two companies. You go ahead, do some more research on these companies yourself. Tell me what you think in the comments. I don't know, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. But I feel like I'm pretty on point when it comes to these two companies, and I've already seen massive gains. If you guys stuck around this long, then now I'll be telling you about the two companies that I'm watching for tomorrow that I want to buy on the dip. First one is going to be APXT. The merger got pushed back and people are selling off. Don't have paper hands. This company is undervalued now, and that makes it a buy. Also, BNGO. Don't have paper hands. The hype's died off a little bit, but this company is super good still. So you could go ahead and get into this company while it's undervalued and underwatched. Other than that, if you guys felt like you learned anything, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more, and hit the notification bell to make sure you see these videos right when they come out so you don't miss these stocks while they're down, while they're up, or wherever they're at. Thank you all for watching. It's been Real Deal Wealth. Better know me as Daniel. Have a nice day, and I'm out.